New information available today. Shib News: whales are pushing the Inu coin to the next level. Crypto analytics portal Whale Stats reports that despite the major sell-offs, large Ethereum holders have sold over $6.5 million worth of Shib in the last 2 days. In the time frame under consideration, the value of the cryptocurrency only dropped by 6% against the US dollar and 3.5% against Bitcoin. Today, we'll discuss the role of whales in the current carnage involving Shiba Inu coins and find out exactly what's happening with Shib. Today's video is going to be huge, so make sure you stick around until the finish. Your daily dosage of Shiba is here at Wealthy Coin. This is the place to be if you have even the slightest bit of a curiosity about Shibas. If you want to know what's going to happen in the crypto world before it happens, you need to subscribe to Shib News Forecast. Let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing on January 2nd before we get into our main point, shall we? The Shiba Inu broke out of its prevalent cup and handle pattern on December 14, boosting its chances of gaining extra gains. And this breakout comes almost 10 days later. Shiba Inu's price may drop and rise in a U-shaped pattern over the next few weeks, forming a take-up and handle before rapidly moving sideways or down in the following stage. Note that the price movement is developing under a consistent resistance level. When the price finally breaks out of a cup and handle pattern, it's usually because it's finally able to sustain a higher close. On December 14th, after a 27% increase to 16 cents in accordance with technical analysis rules, Shib did the same thing. The target for a breakout from an inverted cup with handle is found by summing the distance between the pattern's bottom and the resistance line. Because of this, Shib's value may approach 2,253 cents. What this means is a price increase of 50% by the end of the year in September. Let us now return to our discussion of the issue at hand. 8 trillion Shib, or approximately $73.5 million at the current exchange rate, or 1.5% of the Shiba Inu token offering, is still owned by the 100 greatest whales that have since perished. This means that, after various kinds of Ethereum and stable coins, Shib is the third largest asset in this group's portfolio. The current climate around Shiba Inu can be defined as mixed, with the number of pro and con aspects being about equal. While Doge had a better week than Shib last week, Shib's performance topped Solana's and put it on top of CoinMarketCap's market cap rankings, signaling interest in Shiba Inu's long-awaited Layer 2 solution, Shibarium. As major and medium-sized investors unload multi-million-dollar positions, the price of Shib is declining and returning to its bottom, exerting further pressure on quotations. However, Shib is still afloat, having weathered the preceding 6 months of the bear market's worst conditions with relative ease. Shiba Inu are at the beginning of what may be a very exciting adventure. The second greatest holding of Crypto.com users is the Shiba Inu Shib, which is also wonderful news. New reserve figures revealed that 20% of user assets kept on the exchange were Shib, making it one of the largest trading places for regular crypto investors. This meant that the value of the Shib held by the exchange was approximately $540. From what I can tell from the Nansen dashboard, the total value of all tokens in circulation is more than $2.7 billion. The combined Bitcoin BTC reserve accounted for 31.19% of the total reserve, with Ether coming in at a distant third with 16.97%. Chris McCulloch, CEO of crypto exchange CryptoPump, has promised that in 8 weeks the exchange will reveal a more comprehensive audited breakdown of its reserve, confirming the complete neon backing of users' funds. You can count on us to send you an audited proof of reserves proving the full neon reserve of all customer assets within the next couple of weeks. Following FTC's bankruptcy, the exchange promised its users greater openness. This announcement fulfills that commitment. CryptoPump's exposure to FTX is less than $10 million. Marcelic reassured users, when compared to our global revenues, which have exceeded $1 billion for 2 straight years, I imagine he views it as relatively little. Like Huobi, the leading exchange by trade volume, Binance has made public its cold wallet addresses. Changpeng Zhao, CEO of Binance, recently shared advice on how to spot trouble at cryptocurrency companies. Can Shib go any higher now that confidence is so high among investors? Shib reserve holdings of enormous proportions were exposed by Crypto.com. The alternative cryptocurrency to Dogecoin that is built on the Ethereum blockchain has not fared well. After dropping by 3% over the past 24 hours, the price of Shib is now trading at about $0.96, according to data from CoinMarketCap. From its all-time high of $0.87 in October 2021, this price represents a decline of almost 9.1%. Despite this, Shib advocates have maintained a long-term optimism that the token's value can rise to at least $5. This is because the Shiba Inu ecosystem is developing quickly and will soon incorporate the much-anticipated metaverse. Increased use as a payment mechanism and token burning are decreasing the total number of tokens in circulation. Plus, the value of the Shib has increased by 30% in comparison to Dogecoin. Dismal reports after the primary crypto market's meme currency experienced an increase of more than 120% in late October. Shiba Inu has been significantly outperforming Dogecoin, with Shib up 30% against Doge in the past 7 days. Shib's price has increased, though not as dramatically as that of its main rival. The Shiba Inu token ended the week up 17.3%, while Dogecoin finished 95% up versus the Doge currency. The price of Shib dropped by 39.83%. Binance claims the tide turned on November 2nd. Clearly, the trend has broken, and this could be a correction to the downtrend shown in the chart below. But the Shib price has rebounded by more than a third against the Doge price, which is also indicative of a turning point. Fascinatingly, the current crypto market crash brought by the bankruptcy of major exchange FTX has only served to fortify Shiba Inu's already formidable position against Doge currency. As the value of Doge dropped by 29.6%, Shib only saw an 18.7% decrease in pricing. That allowed Shib to surpass Solana Sol in market cap, something that seemed improbable a week ago at this time. Updated information on the expected Layer 2 protocol Zybar became more publicized when developers began providing first-hand accounts of its progress. Shiba Inu was rumored to be in alpha testing, with a release date of later this year. Following the launch of Shiba Maternity, the whole crew of Shiba Inu and unification development has been concentrating only on that game. Okay, I think we're done here for the day. We'd also like to point out that this isn't a platform from where we'd expect you to seek financial advice or be urged to make any kind of investment. Basically, this is just a means of delivering instructional materials to your home. For this reason, before making any purchases, it is strongly suggested that you conduct extensive background research on the subject. Please enjoy this video we made for you. If you're a Shiba holder, please let us know in the comments and subscribe and like the video. I hope to see you again soon at Wealthy. Bye-bye.